Hey guys, so just got a quick troubleshoot video. I've got a 2016 Ford F150 with a 6-cylinder regular 2-wheel drive. So the customer has a complaint while he will be driving for like 10 to 15 minutes. The brake malfunction message will come on. The brake light will still come on, but there's no drivability issues. So we came in, checked it, no issues, scanned the fault codes, and you gotta do no ABS light is on, but you still need to scan the ABS system. Oops, sorry, my bad. There we go. So it's got a fault code p050f00-8, too low brake assist vacuum. So on this model there's no vacuum pump. It gets the vacuum from the engine, and I've seen a lot of these give the same problem. One second. It's usually this vacuum switch right at the bottom. This one. I'm pretty sure you can hear the hissing noise. So that's the problem. Especially if there's no drivability or braking problems, the problem is that switch. You can hear the hissing. So the first step is replacing the switch, the grommet, and then clear the fault codes and then drive it outside. So I usually do these like couple of them every couple of months, so a very common issue. I don't think any bigger repairs need to be done on this thing. So hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.